everyone, in this video, we are going to look at what does retirement look like to you. So let's jump right in. Hey everyone, this is Lauren Mack with Hacking the Rat Race, and I would love for you to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. Quickly, before we jump in, I would just like to say that this is a lecture from my Early Retirement and Passive Investing Income Masterclass on Udemy. I'm going to leave the link to it in the show notes below, so if you're interested, you can check it out there. So now let's jump right in and look at what does retirement look like to you. In this lecture, we're going to look at what does early retirement look like to you. Before we get into this course, I want to know what early retirement looks like to you. This is so important because while following this course will be simple, it definitely will take an effort on your part, especially if your goal is to retire as soon as possible. When you're applying the steps laid out in this course, you may get frustrated or you may hit a rough patch, and that's why this part becomes so important because your why is what keeps you going and pushing towards your goal. So what does early retirement look like to you? Relaxing on the beach? Staying home with your kids? Spending more time with your grandkids, working on your hobbies, reading all the books on your list, or traveling around the world. I want you to really think about this, and then I want you to visualize what it will look like when you retire. Something else I think is important to consider is time as a resource. If you're watching this course, you're probably already aware of this. Time is a resource that you lose every second that you can't get back. So many people focus on working at a job they don't love, in some cases they hate, so they can have 15 to 20 years of retirement if they're lucky. As you'll see in this course, if you manage your time and money efficiently, you'll be able to work the least amount of time possible. For some people, this is as little as 4 years. Some, it could be 10 to 20 years. But even if you had to work for 20 years, it would still be adding another 25 years to the retirement you were already planning. If you did it in 5 to 10 years, you could start spending the rest of your life on your own terms, doing what you love and not grinding it out in the rat race. This is why it's so important that you examine your why and that you visualize yourself retired and actually doing it. Plus, if you follow this course and retire early, it's even more important that you start planning your retirement as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget there is a link in the show notes below if you're interested in checking out my course on early retirement and passive income investing masterclass on Udemy. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.